Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand, and pretty much what it is a belt that is reversible, that is by the brand called Michael Kors. But first thing first, let me actually take it out and show you what it actually looks like first. So when we take it out, this is basically what it looks like. Very nice kind of design, as you can see, with the MK logo. For this belt in particular, it can be actually reversible like how I mentioned. So if you guys wanted to, you guys can just pull out like this and turn it, and you guys can see that it rotated the logo of the belt itself. And then for this belt itself, it's actually made out of real nice leather material. And then for this one in particular that I got, this is actually for women's. I guess for men's, if you guys want to, you guys can use it as well. But I definitely really like the logo. You guys can see on the belt itself, it has MK all over it. So if you guys want to like stand out and show all your friends or family if you're, what kind of brand you guys are wearing, then this one will be really cool because you guys are definitely going to stand out a lot with the MK logo here. And then the big MK logo here, you guys will actually stand out really well. So let me actually put it around my waist to show you guys what it actually looks like. So if you can see, basically this is what it looks like. Very nice kind of design, very simple, nothing much to it. This part right here, you can see there's nothing else to kind of hold it in place. So you guys want to put this in your belt with a little slot for your pants and whatnot. So that's basically everything that's on this belt itself. Now that I did a little unboxing and testing of the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I have to say that any kind of like luxury brand belt, especially when it's made out of leather and whatnot, it is really good quality. But one thing that I always experience with any kind of like luxury brand or regular brand leather, it doesn't last too long because of the fact that when it's made out of leather and whatnot, every time you guys sit down and the belt itself bends or something, it'll actually start losing its shape, and you guys can see that it's form a little bent somewhere, and then it actually sucks. So overall, a really cool product, and I have to say that it's actually worth it if you guys want one and need one. But obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one, then don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. But other than that, that's much it for the unboxing, testing, and feedback about this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have